Hello and welcome to another edition of Tech Tuesday. Working in Google's ecosystem for as long as we have, we're probably aware of how to use Docs, how to use Slides, how to use Google Sheets. What you might not be aware of is something called extensions. Extensions are little programs. You could even think of them as little bits of code that make it easier to import data more quickly. There's actually a Google extension that allows you to automatically close a form so you don't forget to close that test after students are done taking it. Essentially, what these do is make your life easier. Today, we're going to look at how to actually access Google extensions, and I'm going to show you one called Slides Toolbox that you can use in conjunction with Google Slides to import images and make them into slides automatically. To find extensions on Google Slides, I'll go ahead and go up to the very top where it says Extensions. I'll click on that, click on Add-ons, and I'll be able to actually look at a number of different add-ons, not just for Google Slides, but for all of the Google Workspace apps, whether we're talking about Docs or Sheets or anything else like that. There are a number of these that have actually already been improved by OUSD, so I can find those here. Some of these you may already have installed without even realizing it, like the Pear Deck slide. But I can actually look and clear all of these in order to do a more filtered search, whether or not I want to use for Slides or for Google Chat or Drive or anything else like that. But what I'll do for this demonstration is look up a extension for Google Slides that I like quite a bit, which is called Slides Toolbox. You'll see that it's got a 4.1 rating, over 3 million people use it, and it enables you to kind of get your workflow, expand your workflow a little bit with Google Slides. I'll go ahead and open up that Slides Toolbox once I've installed it. And here's just a quick little way you can use it. You're going to want to kind of play around with these different tools here in your toolbox. But one of the great things I can actually do is if I have a series of images, I can actually create slides with those images instead of having to go and copy paste and copy paste. So I'll have a single image right here, click next. I'll go here to where it says upload, and I'm going to go ahead and upload a number of different screenshots that I've taken. I use this for my first chapter Fridays quite a bit. I'll open that. This is actually sped up quite a bit, so this will take a little bit of time. So I'll upload all of these and it'll create a different slide for each image. This is great if you have a series of pictures for whatever unit you happen to be doing. And again, this is just one of the things that the Slides Toolbox can do. All of these extensions add a little bit more functionality to different things on Google Workspace, whether we're talking about Google Slides or Google Sheets. There's a program called Autocrat, for example, that I know Mr. Lasher uses. I've used it quite a bit, which takes data from a Google Sheet, and you can actually use that to create individual Google Docs that you can share with students. I use it a lot for independent reading points and things like that. That's a little bit more tech savvy. Some of these have a bit more of a learning curve than others, but a lot of them are really useful, and a lot of them add functionality to Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides that you probably weren't aware of. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tuesday. If you have any future ideas for something you'd like me to cover, let me know.